Hi, this is Z from ZRanch 123 with another hardware hack that we have found to solve the Kindle Fire power down syndrome. We've now repaired over 2,000 Kindles, and we'll show you on this particular Kindle, when you plug the charger in, it will power down this device. What's going on? This motherboard is damaged. It was damaged from a loose port the customer had, and as you can see, as soon as you plug it in, it's drawing current, but the motherboard's got into a protective mode and it is shutting down the Kindle. So we have seen probably 100 of these devices now with power down problems, and because of the amount of Kindles we have successfully repaired, we have found a workaround solution to what we call here the power down syndrome. You can see that that's an inline ammeter, and that's drawing about 0.6 amps. It's still drawing current, but the unit's powered down, and our customers don't like having units powered down. They don't know what's going on, and it's powering down the device, so that's not a very good and cozy feeling. Anyhow, what we do is we take the port off, and that's the USB port on the Kindle Fire. The very left one is 5 volts. Okay, our solution is to isolate 5 volts. We're not going to even get the 5 volts to the motherboard. It's going to go directly to a little add-on charger through that wire wrap wire right there. The wire wrap wire is going directly from the USB pin 5, and there's a piece of Teflon under it isolating it from the motherboard. So we've lifted that pin, run a wire, and we're going to take that to a lithium ion charging circuit, a tiny board that's gonna go from there, and that's a wide view of the motherboard right there with the red wire, and that's the Teflon tape, a protective tape we put in there, so we're professional about it, and get it there so that once you do put it back on, it's not shorting anything. And here it is. Here's the completed repair. Up here is the lithium ion charge circuit at the very top of the screen, and there you can see the red wire. That's the 5 volts going there, and then the red and the black going directly to the battery. So what have we done? We have bypassed the motherboard damaged circuitry, and look, it's now drawing a good 0.6, almost 7/10 of an amp, directly charging the Kindle battery, and it's working beautifully. The charger's on, everything's put back together, and there's a little LED just saw that indicates that there's power going on, and the same device now is not powered down. It is working fine. It is functional. The customer will be happy because the unit is no longer basically crashing due to the loose USB port that damaged it before it got to us. And the reason this happens is because of current surges onto the motherboard from the loose USB port before it arrives here. So I've successfully repaired this in about 100 Kindle Fires and other devices, mind you, that have this problem. We have now repaired same kind of issues in Nexus, in Kindle 8.9 HDs, and other products. If you have a power down syndrome or charge issues, get hold of us. Our URL is below, or you can just email me at azubair123@gmail.com, and I'll be glad to help you out. And this is the unit now working great, and we specialize in USB repairs and this kind of charging and power issues on the Kindle. Thank you.